If you're an Amazon FBA seller and aren't filing safety claims, you're literally leaving thousands on the table. But first, you got to understand what a safety claim is. I'm going to be going over it. So pretty much it's an unfair refund. So if you ship the product yourself, customer lies, whatever it is, it gets lost, but it says delivered, you can file a safety claim, get that money back, right? Because Amazon might refund them and you want to claw all of the funds back that you can. Right. So here's an example, right? We got this one, wrong product. So let's say they bought something very expensive. Let's say they got an iPhone, you get the return and it's a pack of gum, right? That's an example where you can file a safety claim where maybe, again, same thing, iPhone, but they returned a broken iPhone. It's a whole different model, right? Empty box, missing parts, and then kind of just going through the steps and obviously acting fast. And this is where you can manage safety claims. This is actually an Amazon Seller Central. You're just going to type in safety claim, and then you should have access. This should pop up manage safety claims right here. Yep, not that big. So here's the process, right? You're going to go to the portal, and then once you're here, you're going to click file a new safety claim, right? Then you're going to pretty much go over Amazon reviewing it, and then just submit as much documentation as you can, depending on the situation. Like if they said it wasn't delivered, but they signed for it, you can pull that data from FedEx and then submit it to Amazon, and it usually will get, once you get approved, you're good to go. So again, this is kind of like the whole situation. Also, Amazon has their own policy, 3 reimbursement claims. Now here's step number, they have like a step-by-step breakdown if you really wanted to know. So it says attach all necessary support documentation, for examples, images of the damaged item, shipping label, image of the return mailing label, tracking ID, delivery proof, or any additional information you see necessary to review your claim, if applicable, and then click submit safety claim. So a lot of different things you can do right here. And then you don't want to end up like this guy where you have all these returns and you don't file any safety claims, right? And then there's just sellers that are ripping you off left and right. And if you file it too late, it's going to get automatically denied. It used to be 60 days. Now it's only 30 days you have to file the safety claim in order to get a success, just like this guy right here, super happy. And it is, again, for FBM. It is not for FBA. So if you are an FBM seller, aka you ship the product yourself, not only can we help you, but you could do it yourself. Now, we do this full time. We're monitoring your inventory 24/7, but not only that, helping you increase your sales and decrease safety claims at the same time. Feel free to contact us. Link below. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of VH Consulting Group, signing out.